This 2008 BMW 3 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW 335i Convertible Sport Package Premium Package Cold Weather Package Paddle Shifters 3.0L Twin Turbo Care Die 6 Engine Automatic Transmission Navigation System Heated Front Seats Keyless Entry Fog Lamps Cruise Control Adjustable Steering Wheel Power Windows Power Door Locks Black Exterior Black Leather Interior Floor Mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2008 BMW 335i convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate and visit us at autogallerychicago.com.